So that's this guy right here, Jacksonville, Florida. Came out here to help this guy. You got a Volvo, you need to know about this problem. If you got an air leak, you run out of air, the transmission, the shifter is going to get stuck into the neutral, not secure position. You can't get the shift out of gear into neutral. You can't get that truck start. So I pulled up there just to take a little break, and then they were over here. So we ended up connecting the airline from my truck to his truck. We used the air tanks. That's right below the step on the driver's side. But you can also, I have a video up where you can connect it from your airline hose. And there's a little port over here. Right there. And it's a regular valve stem, like the tires. So you just put air in there. Once the transmission get the air and all that stuff, it's gonna shift into neutral. You'll be able to start the truck. That's exactly what happened here. So I've experienced that. I've helped a couple of other guys. I've got one up helping a guy in Virginia. And today, we just helped this guy. They got a compressor and all that, but I guess it's not powerful enough. So I'm gonna keep this guy card. He lives in Florida. 813, that's a Tampa number. And the other driver took my number too, so that's what we do, man. Try to help each other out. So if you're going through the same problem, hopefully this helps. All right, about to get rolling here. So yeah, they're lucky I pulled up over here and stopped. And they came over and talked to me and asked me to help them out with some air. So I did. And just not long ago, I didn't work all last week because of air leak on my truck. I just replaced like 4 valves so I can get back out on the road. And my only load here within a week and a half. So, and guess what? I'm in the right place, right time to help this guy. You know what? Hey, blessings is all shapes, sizes, and form it comes in, man. It's all good. One day, these guys are probably going to help me out too. So, peace out, guys.